So which documentation do I need? The documentation of the meld function, because that's the one that I'm going to use. So at first sight, the function does not have a lot of arguments. So the ones that were listed here in the Kahoot are not there. So what does it mean? So it means that this meld function, it has 3 variations. You have a meld function for melting a data frame, you have a meld function for arrays and matrices, and you have a meld function for lists. So what is the one that we are using here? We're melting a data frame. So this is the one that we're basically using here. So let's look at the documentation of this one. And here you see that, it has numerous arguments. So what is the one that we need here? This one. This argument will tell him which columns he has to use as factors, as things that define groups in your data. So